biker was riding way too close to his friend, so the effects were not long in coming.
Oh, a little slippery there. Ow.
As the biker himself admitted, the weather conditions and far too much throttle ended his ride quite nastily.
Hey Cardo, speed dial! My knee. Hey, I'm on the ground. I got you.
Well, that was interesting.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
Here, help me pick it up. Ready?
Okay, let's get it off to the side. You got oil?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. I shifted. What?
These two bikers experienced a moment of terror during a simple ride. The rider coming the other way was unable to keep in his lane.
Hold on, I'm about to catch up to the light. Hold on, I'm about to go to the light right now. Whoa!
I'll just come past on the wrong side of the road, no problem. Here, get out of here. Just been rear-ended. I'm sure you are.
Another situation in which road conditions and overconfidence in riding ends being a costly lesson.
Ira. Apa problem? Macam. They shut down all of 6. That's intense.
Oh my days, don't on me. Calm it. I said calm down. Sorry? Oh, that's why I'm walking it, mate. That's why I said I'm walking it. Put a smile on your face. Huh? Sorry? Did I say I'm serving the forces?
You need a question to me, right? I've been there.
No, I said to chill out. You didn't chill out. I said put a smile on your face.
What? Geezer going to me in a motorcycle.
Mate, I did. I'm about a metre away from you.
We should be on here anyway.
That's why I'm walking it. Alright, this is going nowhere, mate. Enjoy the rest of your day, yeah? Cheers, mate. He was sensitive. He's going to be even more sensitive when he appears all over the internet. He's going to hate me so much. But don't be I just told him calm down. But then he turns around to me and says he's telling me to calm down. I was like, no.
Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.
Bro, come on, mate. Yeah, he might be a little